Oh, it's starting. Never mind the lippy. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. Today I'm gonna unbox my Dior shoes. If you like this kind of video like unboxing, revealing luxury items, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's start with the unboxing of my Dior shoes. I'm gonna get it from there. Now here's the box. Dust bag. 2 dust bags. And to reveal, this is so pretty. So pretty. It's the Dior J'Adior Slingback Pump. It's in patent leather and nude. Here you go, it's a 360. Go. It's a very nice Dior logo. The star in the back. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. It's the Dior J'Adior Slingback Pump in patent leather, nude color, and in kitten heels. I chose the kitten heels because I couldn't walk in high heels more than 3 inches. So most of my shoes are just below 3 inches. So this is the shoes. It's very nice. It's comfy. Elegant, it's classic. That's it guys for my review for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been Rose. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. That's it guys for my review for today. Oh, nice shoes.